Good day everyone, Kate Valeriano here, CEO of KRT Dynasty Milk Tea Corporation. I'm inviting everyone, lahat ng mga Batanggenyo at Batanggenya dito sa Mabini, Batangas dahil meron na naman tayo na grand opening. I-welcome natin ang ating bagong franchisee, Mr. and Mrs. Gonzales.
Good morning everyone. Madalas nakapwesto po kami dito sa Talaga Proper Covered Court from 10 a.m. to around 2 p.m. po. And then afternoon, lumilipat po kami sa Poblacion, Mabini, Batangas around 3 to 7 p.m. po. Ang maganda po dito sa mobile cart business is rolling po tayo. We get to target our customers. Readily available po yung ating product sa market and mas marami po tayong nare-reach na customers instead of waiting for them to come to our stations. It's really about my dream na makatulong sa family and at the same time po maging blessing sa other people. To achieve financial freedom po, financial stability tayo, mas marami tayong matutulungan aside from our family po. And itong mobile cart business po, the KRT Milk Tea Mobile Cart, nakitaan po namin ito ng magandang potential, especially dito sa area namin. Bago lang yung concept na ganito, marami na po talaga na milk tea station business dito sa Mabini but wala pa pong mobile. So talagang the opportunity is big po for this kind of business. When it comes to support po, sobrang overwhelming po ang support ng buong management ng KRT. Nagko-conduct po sila ng product training initially. Nagkakaroon din po kami ng online access sa KRT University wherein nandun na po lahat ng needs ng franchisees from the product mastery, sales, marketing, and tools, even yung POS, how to use it. Yun din po isa po na gustuhan ko is nagko-conduct din po kami ng online meeting with my co-franchisees. It's called a mastermind class wherein we get to share our experiences, success stories from the old to the new ones.
At kung sa tingin mo ay maganda ang location mo at gusto mo na rin magsimula ng profitable at unique na business ngayong 2024, i-message mo lang ang aming page dahil open kami for franchise.
Keep rolling!